What's up, guys? Day 4 from the quarantine bartender. Too nice outside to be sitting inside. So here we are. We're in the backyard, and we're at my other bar. Big shout out to Jason Cook, actually, for helping me with this Atlantic Coast countertops. Anyway, we're saying that quick plug. But today, I've got my executive producer of this show. You might seem small, but he's a big guy. He does a lot for us. Aiden Ross, my son, right here. So Aiden today is with me. You might go, oh, why do you got a kid over here with this bartending thing? Well, I realized everyone may not drink. There's people that are adults that don't drink. Obviously, Aiden can't drink, but he like a cocktail too. So we're gonna do what is called a mocktail, or a cocktail that has no alcohol whatsoever. But we're also gonna make one with alcohol because I need one. It's day 4 and I need a drink. So anyway, here we are. So today we're doing mojitos, okay? We're gonna be doing mojitos. Very popular, especially when the warm weather starts to come around and people just love mojitos, all right? Real quick, I'm just gonna go into some of the flavor, because we're doing a flavored mojito. Aiden likes flavored mojitos. Mom likes regular mojito. We're gonna do another flavored mojito too. So you could do any kind of mixer or something like that when you mix it in. We talked about this the other day, but to do a simple syrup, guys, it's super easy. What you do is just cut up some fruit like this, put it into a dish. This was done the other day. I just emptied out all of the juice. I'm just gonna add a couple more into there. And then the only thing you do is you just take a little bit of your sugar. Sugar's cheap, fruit can be somewhat cheap, and you'll get a whole bunch. So nothing crazy, nice little equal parts, all right? Cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, and it'll make that syrup, which comes out to be this. So this is the strawberry. So, and you want strawberry or do you want watermelon?
Watermelon.
Watermelon, all right, I like it. You were thinking strawberry, but watermelon came out. So he's gonna do that. All right, so the way that you do it, you need a couple things. Rum would be the preferable choice of liquor. The actual way to do it would be a rum simple syrup. We're doing a flavored simple syrup, but you can do a regular simple syrup. Limes, mint, and soda water is the real way to do it. You can do Sprite if you like it a little bit sweeter, all right? So that's pretty much it. So we're gonna add these ingredients in there, all right? A couple limes. Aiden, here you go. Put a couple of limes in yours so you know which one's yours. That's yours. Mommy and I are over here. All right, I'm gonna just out the way, kind of. All right. Big shout out also to everyone that was tagging in. Big shout out to my cousin Keith. Keith, big shout out to my family. Big shout out to Susie Mobley, aka Montrese, named after my grandmother, so love you. Big shout out to actually everybody that was just in there tagging along. Big appreciate all you guys. So anyway, of that. All right, we're doing 2 strawberries, all right? That there, and then you want a strawberry too, right? Or no, you want a watermelon. All right, watermelon right here. This was from the other day. Remember I made it. It's got sugar on it, so it's gonna be even sweeter. So I'm just gonna cut it up real quick. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. All right, and then the mint leaves. Here we go, Aiden. Do me a favor, put mint leaves in all of those for me. All right. All right. And then the last, I didn't have a muddle. All right, you're supposed to use a muddle. Muddle do something like this. All right, this is just my wine thing. All right, if I could find anything else to stick in there, muddling it is just rubbing it around in there, getting it all. Yeah, put a couple of them. And when you do it, you are supposed to wake them up. Don't forget, you gotta wake up the mint leaf. And the way that you do it, here, take a mint leaf in your hand. Here we go. Take another one like this, and just, pow! Just like that. There we go. There we go. Put it in there. Simple as that. All right. I'm gonna add rum to ours. All right. Then I'm gonna do no simple syrup in both. All right. We're gonna do simple syrup in both. All right. Strawberry, strawberry. And Aiden just had watermelon. Again, non-alcoholic. All right. So we'll let him go first because we don't want to get any alcohol on it. All right. So there we go. Just muddling it up in there. Gets the all going. Makes a nice little paste like that. All right. Do the same over here. Actually, you know what? Put the rum in. Put the rum in last. Yeah, we'll put the rum in last. We'll top it off. All right. So that's all that in there. Actually, no, I'm going to go ahead and do the rum in there now. All right. The other day, sometimes free pouring is good, but sometimes when you're in quarantine, you're going to have to kind of make it last. So this is definitely, with the pourer, is definitely going to make it where you portion it out a little bit better. Free pouring, get a little crazy, you have a little bit of fun. It just depends on whatever you want to do. Again, you're inside, so whatever. Sanitize our hands. We did before, but we're going to do it again. All right. We did before, didn't we? We did. All right. So keep sanitizing. All right. Always sanitize. Our hands are good. But I'll go ahead and use this tin top. Yeah, put it right in there like so. So. Aiden. All right. Aiden prefers Sprite. He wants a little sweeter. All right. Go like that. Mommy likes hers sweet, but not too sweet. So we're gonna do half. Go half soda water, half Sprite. And I'm just gonna do all Sprite, soda water. Whoops, gets a little crazy, gets a little wild. Oh, made it. There we go. All right. Don't forget, every week we're gonna wanna do a different contest. Aiden, can you tell these people real quick what our contest is going to be tonight and going until 2 o'clock tomorrow? Tell them real quick.
If you share the video and it gets the most likes, you'll win the contest. That's in the next giveaway.
Perfect. Yep, there you go. So yesterday we had a question. What glass were we showing? Where was it from? Or what bar would made it popular? And we got a lot of Brent chimed in there just a little too late. A bunch of other different people, but Jenny Harrison won it. So she's going to be getting. Show her what she wins, Aiden, right behind you. I want to show you what you win. This is just the first one. We'll do a prize every time too. All right.
Hat.
Hat, yep, Master of the Mix, cool hat right there. All right, DJ competition that we do at Sandbar every year. We got our Sandbar sweater, hoodie sweater. I'm sure it'll get cold here in a couple days, so don't worry. You could probably use that again.
Glasses.
And then some sunglasses. There you go. Those are our little giveaways. Okay, I got both of them. Aiden will go ahead and give you another lime too. And then the last thing, you want to garnish it off with a little mint leaf on top. All right, here we go. Cheers. All right. Don't forget, everybody, keep looking at our stuff. Comment at the below. Sign in for our games and share it, please. We're trying to get a lot of people to look at it. So there you go. We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.